Okay, welcome back to Maths Digest. Today we are looking at difference of two squares. Still on lower college, that is lower secondary, as the case may be. Okay, we're looking at this topic, and at the end of this class, learners should be able to first factorize the expression of the form a squared minus b squared. And the second one says use factorization in simplifying numerical problems. All right, so if you remember, this can be written as this can be written as a minus b squared can actually be written as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, this can be this. This is because a plus b, a minus b. If you remember our expansion, you can actually say a in bracket a minus b and plus b in bracket a minus b. When you expand it, you have a squared, this minus ab, and for this we have plus ab, and for this we have minus b squared, if you remember. So from this you can see that this we cancel this because they have negative and positive. So we arrive at a squared minus b squared. So with this we call it difference of two squares. Okay, so what this actually means that you can deduce that difference of two square is of two quantities is the product of their sum and what and their difference. Okay, the product of their sum and their difference, this is their sum multiplying their difference. Okay, so quickly we can write that as difference of square of two quantities is the product of their sum and the difference. So product of their sum and the difference. So remember, with this we know that this is not actually saying a minus b in bracket squared. So this cannot be that. Okay, just like I explained in my class when I was handling perfect square. Okay, so two of them are not the same. So just know that when you are dealing with difference of two squares, what you simply, when you are talking about difference of two square, you're actually talking about minus. So whatever we are going to deal with, we narrowed more on what negative sign, okay, because we are dealing with difference minus. Okay, so pay attention. Let's bring more exercises or examples to illustrate this. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back. In this, we are taking some exercises to digest difference of two squares. Okay, factorize the following. Once the first one says 9 minus y squared. The second one says 5x minus 45y squared. The third one here says a squared b squared minus 9. And the fourth one, x squared minus 1. Why the fifth one says x squared minus 10y squared. So quickly, solution. The first one, 9 minus y squared. So if you look at this, this is a perfect square. Okay, so what we do is we say 3 squared minus y squared. This is equal to, just like what we did before, we can say that 3 plus y, 3 minus y, are in brackets. Okay, so this is the desired solution to it. Then the second one says 5x squared minus 45y squared. If you look at this, the second one is not just like the first one, because here we don't have any perfect square among the numbers here, but there is a way out to this. What we do is we find the factor. We factorize it first by finding the factor among these two, and this is what? 5. 5 into this place will give you x squared, because 5 cancel here, we only cancel 5. We are left with the variable x squared. Then minus 5 into this place, we have 9 y squared. So with this now, we are good. We are not good to go yet. We are going to look into this now. What do? We say this is equal to 5 in bracket again, x squared. This 9 will be reduced to 3y all squared. Okay, so that from here now we can say 5 in brackets. This is now perfect square as they are. Okay, now from here we can say x plus 3y. Okay, and x minus 3y. So this is the desired difference of 2 square. Okay, so the third one will give us a squared b squared minus 9. So we need to reduce get the square of this, because it's a perfect square. So we say a squared b squared minus 3 squared. So with this now we say this is equal to ab plus 3, ab minus 3, all in brackets. Okay, so this is the desired solution. While in the fourth one we have s squared minus 1, s squared minus 1. Okay, this number 4, if you look at it, 1 is a special number. Okay, so what we do is we say s squared minus 1 squared. Yes, this is because even if you raise this 1 to 1000, it will still remain 1, because 1 times any itself by any level can still give you 1. So we say this is equal to s plus 1, s minus 1. Okay, so this is the desired solution. Then coming to the fifth one, we have x squared minus 100y squared, and this will simply lead us to x squared minus 10y all squared. Okay, and coming from here now we can say x plus 10y, x minus 10y. So this is the desired solution equally. Okay, so with this I believe we can use it to understand difference of 2 squares. Okay, so feel free if there's anything you wish to ask or questions you need to ask for clarifications on this, always feel free to ask through the comment section, and Now we're going to give the assignment. So pay attention and make sure you do the assignment so that we can guide you through. If there's any one you fail, we can actually solve it so that you understand it much more better. Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry, before the assignment, let's quickly run through this simplification of numerical problems as one of the objectives. We want to digest the difference of two squares. So with these following examples that says use difference of two squares, yeah, because in this simplification of numerical problems, we are going to make use of what we learned from that of difference of two squares. Okay, so use difference of two squares to calculate the following. The first one says 197 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2. Then the second one says 239 raised to power 2 minus 189 raised to power 2. And the third one says 1003 raised to power 2 minus 9. And the fourth one, the last one there, says 99 raised to power 2 minus 1. Okay, so solution. Number 1, we have 197 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2. Okay, using that of difference of two squares. These are difference of two squares because they are minusing each other, and with this, and they are minusing each other, and this has squared, and these are squared. Okay, now with this we can simply say 197 plus 3 in brackets. We also have 197 minus 3 in brackets again. So with this we say 197 plus 3 will give us 200. Okay, and 197 minus 3 will give us 194. Okay, so quickly we say this times this. What would that give us? Quickly we can say 194 times 200. So we have this 0 times 2. We have 0. We have 0. We have 8. We have 8, and we have what? 3. So we have 3 equal to 38800. Okay, so this is actually what it will give us. Okay, this is actually what it will give us. So this is the final answer. So quickly we take the second one. The second one says 103 raised to power 2 minus 9 equal to. Now if you look at this, this one is squared and this one is not squared, but because this is perfect square, okay, so we say 103 squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so from here we now say equal to, this will give you 1003 plus 3, 1003 minus 3. So with this we say this plus this will give you 1006, and this minus this will give you 1000. Okay, so this times this will give you equal to 1006,000. So that's the final answer. So if you still go ahead to solve it from the way we did for difference of two squares, you're going to get those answers. So quickly we take the third one. The third one says I jumped the second one rather. Okay, so let's take the second one as the third one now. We have 2, 3, 9 raised to power 2 minus 1, 8, 9 raised to power 2. So quickly, this will actually give us 2, 3, 9 plus 1, 8, 9 in brackets. Okay, and we have 2, 3, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 again. Okay, so we say this plus this will give us what? Give us 4, 2, 8. 4, 2, 8. And this minus this will give us what? This minus this will give us what? 50. 50. So 50 times 4, 2, 8 will give us what quickly? Will give us 21400. 21400. Okay, so this becomes our final answer. All right, quickly we are going to take the fourth one. Okay, you're welcome back. The last one says IV 99 squared minus 1. This we remember what I told us about this one. We can still say 99 raised to power 2 minus what? 1 raised to power 2, because 1 times 1 will still give you 1. So with this we say this is equal to 99 plus 1. 99 minus 1. Okay, so with this we say this plus this will give you 100, and this minus this will give you 98. Okay, so we say this times this will give you equal to 9800. Okay, so that's the final answer. All right, so at this point I believe we understand this. So quickly we are going to have the assignments, and it's expected that you solve it and submit, so that we can see it at the comment section. Feel free to reach us through our phone numbers or our email. All right, so have a wonderful time. Thank you. All right, welcome to the assignment section. The assignment says number 1, factorize the following: 4t squared minus 9, and the second one says 1 minus x squared. Then the third one says a squared b squared minus c squared. Now, number 2 says use difference of two squares to calculate the following. Number 1, 85 raised to power 2 minus 65 raised to power 2. And the second one says 361 raised to power 2 minus 139 raised to power 2. The third one says 7.3 raised to power 2 minus 2.7 raised to power 2. While the fourth one says 996 raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 2. So this is the assignment. All right, so do it and submit to us in the comment section.